wakes up early with the sun in her eyes, trying to keep her world from slipping behind. She's holding it together with a quiet grace, but she's tired of being strong every single day. She's going through the motions, but she's stronger than she knows it, holding back the tears like a wave she won't let fall. Yeah, the world keeps spinning, but she's still standing, still winning. She keeps on smiling even when she's low, but even bright hearts need a place to go. You're strong, woman, even when you don't feel strong. You're strong, woman, you've been holding on so long. Girl, you don't have to face this life alone. Lean on me, you got a friend here. You're never on your own. When the nights get heavy and your heart gets tired, when you're running on empty and losing the fire, let me be the voice that pulls you through. You don't have to be strong for everyone but you.